Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Amazon Kindle Paperwhite Kids. And to do this, we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of our screen. Now move to the settings. Here in your account you should be able to find the register your device. Make sure to click on that first and to register your device from this account. Then we can go back and enter the device options, and there's a reset button right here. Click on it and then confirm it with yes. But also make sure that you agree with all of the data and books and basically everything from this device being deleted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.